Hey there! So the other day, the Mac Pro I ordered on January 2nd finally showed up. I decided to drag the beast upstairs, all 80 pounds worth of it, and do a quick unboxing video. I have a couple of different videos planned for this particular machine. There will be a couple of normal, standard, expected benchmark videos showing you the performance and the config I actually got. However, more interesting, I believe, would be the use case scenario I have for this machine. I'm a cloud architect and I need a ton of virtual machines running on a system. Usually in my basement I would have a couple of servers and a storage array. However, I'm hoping with this one single machine to be able to replace all of that in a completely silent, beautiful package that can sit on top of my desk. And the idea is not to run an ESXi directly on it and turn it into a server. That'd be just a waste of a beautiful machine. However, run OS X on it, run VMware Fusion, and at the same time, considering I have a 16-core processor and over half a gigabyte worth of RAM, be able to run all of that simultaneously. So all of my work stuff could be running in the background, and in the foreground I could actually do anything and everything else I need to do. For example, editing this video while all the virtual machines are running in the back. So stay tuned for those videos, but for now, enjoy the quick unboxing. Mac Pro comes in this beautiful, humongous, super heavy and sturdy white box. Listen to that Velcro. Inside we find an incredibly compact tower case, somewhere in between a medium and a large PC tower. It weighs about 40 pounds. The amount of protection and attention to detail is as much as you would expect from Apple. Outside of handlebars and feet, it is 100% wrapped in protective plastic. You cannot find a fingerprint on it. There's plastic even at the very bottom. As someone who actually appreciates industrial design and everything that goes into creating something like this, I will not call it by the name that everyone else has given it. It really is a piece of art and it is beautiful. The big reflective Apple logo on the side is quite a nice touch. I got all three accessories you can get it with, first of them being this extended numeric keypad keyboard in silver color this time around, and I like it much more than my iMac Pro's keyboard, in all honesty. The power cord is very nice and you cannot get a kink in it. The black trackpad and the black mouse come only with the Mac Pro, so I had to have it. And that's it. Time to clean up the mess and set this beast up. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos coming up soon. Thank you.